Hi, in this episode I'll talk about zooming in Inkscape, and this is very basic, but it's also very important to know how to zoom in quickly without thinking a lot so you can save time when you're working your projects. You can access the tool by clicking on it or with the F3 key on your keyboard or with the Z key. So if you have selected the select and transform tool, you can click the Z key and quickly grab the zoom tool. Now with your left mouse button you can zoom in, and holding down the shift key again with your left mouse button you can zoom out. Now sometimes you can also zoom out with your right mouse button, but sometimes you can get this menu. Sometimes you can zoom out, so I recommend you hold down the shift key and use your left mouse button. Also, by holding down the control key and using your mouse wheel to zoom in and out. Now you can also drag like this and zoom in a specific area. And now one of the most useful keyboard shortcuts is the tilt key, which is above the tab key, and if you press this you will go to the previous zoom. So let's say you want to zoom in here really close to investigate something, and then quickly hit the tilt key to go to the previous zoom. And if you want to go back here, you can hold down the shift key and press the tilt key to go to the next zoom. Now here you also have the zoom in and out. You can use the minus or plus key on your keyboard, and this option here will zoom on 100%, this one on 50%, and this one on 200%, and you can see here the percentages. Also you can use these arrows to zoom in and out. Again, you have some keyboard shortcuts which are numbers on your keyboard, 1, 2, 3, and here you can zoom in to fit the selection into a window. So let's say we zoom out here and you need to make a selection first, and then click this option to zoom to fit the selection into the window. Now the next one here will fit the drawing into the window. Right now our selection is also our drawing, so let's ungroup these objects. And now if I select this and click here, I will zoom to fit the selection into the window, and if I click this one I'll zoom in to fit the drawing into the window. Now the next one here will fit this page into the window, and this one will fit the width of the page into the window. And these two options here are I talked about them the previous and next zoom using the tilt key and shift tilt key. Already discussed this. And also you can type in the percentages of zoom here, let's say 30%, to zoom in and out. So that's it for the zoom tool in this tutorial, and if you like these videos please subscribe, leave a comment and rate the video, and bye for now.